Hello, welcome back. In this video, it's the start of the series that we will get ourselves familiar with the Source 2 Dota 2 workshop tool. Specifically, today we'll focus on the tile editor. I have created a new add-on called Getting Started by default. Let's jump right in by launch it. Um, the hammer editor by default is pretty small. I have scaled it down like this to make the space for the map. You can move around using WASD and hold right click to move around like this. So the next one is I'm going to create a tile map to work with. Go here and the tile editor. I'm going to choose small 32x32. This indicates that there are 32 tile on the width and 32 tile on the height. Okay. Cool. So now I'm going to quickly explain how the tile work. So on the left, you can see that there are many tools in here. Each tool will affect at least one tile to modify state. For example, if I hold down middle mouse and pan it on the left, and I hover here, you can see that there's a green square on here. And when I left click, it'll raise it up. And when I scale it above, that allows 4 squares to be highlighted. And I click, and it will be affect bigger. Okay. So now you can switch between the tool by pressing tab space like this, and you can go to the previous tool by shift space like this. So the first tool I'm gonna show you is the terrain tool, used to modify the tile height. When I left click, it will raise up, and when I will press Ctrl to reverse what I have done and go down like that. So yeah, like that. So I'm gonna go to the next tool, is to modify water. So I create water and Ctrl to place it up again. So the next tool is the path tool. This tool is really special. It's gonna use to connect between two tiles to create a path. For example, there'll be a path. Connect. I can also create a path to go to here. There will a stair go up there. Next is the tree tool. If I scroll down, there's a density here. I can increase to allow more tree, or I can decrease to allow it to have scattered tree. The same work with the plant tool, where you can spawn many plants. You can have these plant type here: sparse, thick, moderate. The next tool is the paint blend tool. Here it has many blending layer. You can paint on the, let's go to layer 1. You can paint the path. The layer 1 usually the sand. Layer 2 is some rock. Layer 3 is, yeah, it is the same grass as the tile. And layer 4 is some green path like this. Okay. The next tool is the grid nap tool. I will not go into detail in this one, and I will cover it in the later video. Let's go to the place object. In here you can see that the object type contains prop, trees, and plants. I will just stick with prop because these two you can use the above two tools. Prop type can be neutral cam, for example, or you can use any object you want, ambient creature, or banners, for example. That's it. The selection tool can be used to select a tile. This can be do for many variations. For example, if I head to this over here and press F, it will change the variation of the tile. Sometimes the other tile will not work, but sometimes it will work like this. The final one is the disable tile. If I select one like this and go to selection tool, it will be removed and many tile will not work on it above it. Yeah, I think that's all. I'm gonna take some practice to get used with the tools. One more thing, if you scroll down to the current tile set and select die basic, it will convert all the tile we're working with to the die theme. For example, like this. You can also work with trees and many stuff. It will create the undead theme in contrast with what we have in Radiant tile set. So that's all I want to talk about in this video. If you find it useful, hit the like and subscribe button. And more stuff is coming. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.